This is the time of the year where I'm really questioning why we are full-time in an RV. But anyway, regardless, we have been through a lot of different changes on our slide out on our camper over the last few years. We started with the Thomas Paine recliners and a U-shaped dinette, took the dinette out, put a custom desk in there, decided we didn't like the desk, got a couch. The couch is great. We had a couch, a side table, and the desk. Then we decided the side table wasn't working, so we went with just the couch and the desk, and that's kind of where it's set at for now. So I got online, got on Amazon, and got a couple of computer chairs. So we're gonna have chairs on either side of the desk so that Steph and I can sit and work next to each other. So that's what I'm gonna be working on today. So a few changes on the slide out. We're gonna be updating you guys on what's next for us here at Life Rerouted, and all that to come a little bit later. But I'm gonna get these chairs put together and I'm gonna put them in the slide out and see if they work out. Hi doggies. Hi doggies. You want to help me? Well, that was enough hand tightening. So good thing that we're staying here and Steph's dad has all the tools. So I'm breaking out the big guns. What do you think of that, AJ?
Woo! Where your feet, doggos? Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
So these chairs are actually a lot smaller than the one that I had sitting here before, so I think it's actually really nice. I was afraid because these weren't very expensive that they wouldn't be very good quality. I don't know that they're great quality, but I think they'll work out really well for us. Oh boy. Baby.
Are you ready?
Do we even have room for all this?
Of course we do. It's Christmas.
It's the Kroger bag for me.
Which one? 1, 2, or 3? There's not that much. Although I don't know if our stockings are under, so there might be more.
Oh boy. What are we doing here?
Decorating for Christmas. All right, so we kind of cheat because the past 3 years now we've come home for the holidays. So Mike is right, this is a lot. Our normal rule is like 1 bag. If we're on the road for Christmas, we have 1 bag of decorations for the camper. But we're home, so I was able to store all this at my parents' house, so why not go all out for Christmas, right? All right, let's do this.
I just had a feeling that Steph would be making a little puzzle corner, and literally the next day she brought her puzzle.
Look how perfect this is. Look, I can sit here. I can still get work done because I have a swivel chair. I can do my puzzle. I can watch TV. I can talk to Mike if he's over
She
here.
got puzzle pieces under the laptop.
It's just because they're friends. They got cozy.
This is called priorities, guys.
If you guys are on like our Facebook or Instagram, you have seen that I have developed a bit of a puzzle problem.
It's kind of a part of us now. Hey, look at that. And then a 3M strip, of course. You gotta have a 3M
We
strip.
didn't even dig out the 3M strips. I hope we have enough. so festive.
I know,
Look at
don't
you. The Santa hat really adds something to it, doesn't it?
What does it add to it?
Christmas spirit, Mike.
Oh, okay.
It's so sad looking.
Make it happy.
Look at it, it's perfect. I don't know why the train makes me so happy, but it does. Also, I don't remember who got this for us or where we got it from, but how perfect is this? It's a Bears camper. If you don't know, we're pretty big Bears fans, except it just makes us sad this year.
Hey, it's looking pretty festive in here now,
I don't know
right?
if I'd say pretty festive, but a little bit. It's getting there.
So we're in Indiana for a while. We are very fortunate enough to be able to spend some time with our family over the holiday season.
Yeah, I know we kind of get negative and complain about being in the cold weather. And you might be thinking, like, why do they keep doing it then? We're fortunate enough that all of our family lives really close together, and we've kind of got spoiled the past couple of years being able to be here with them for the holidays.
Which means the camper hasn't really moved much lately because we've been spending so much time with family and friends. But at the beginning of the year, our plan is to head west, and we are so excited to spend, I don't know, a couple of weeks or so on the road in the camper, and we're so excited to take you guys along with us.
It has been a couple of years since we've been out west, and I know we've been saying we really don't know what we're doing. We really still don't know what we're doing, but we do know we're going out west in the beginning of the year. Like Mike said, we're gonna spend a few weeks on the road. I do not have a trip planned out because I'm afraid of weather, and it might be a day-to-day figuring out where we're going because of weather.
So a lot of big trip stuff coming up. We have some upgrades to show you guys, and a lot of other stuff going on that is more camper related.
Yes, Louie has to get some things done to prep him for going on this big road trip. So, plans coming up. Still don't have any solid plans, but we at least know a little bit what we're doing.
Hey, it's Christmassy in here. I think it turned out pretty good. We just wanted to make ourselves, you know, a little more festive in the camper when we're coming into the camper and feel that holiday spirit in here. I think it turned out pretty good.
Yeah, we're not big decorators in the camper, but something about just having some Christmas decorations up makes it feel like more fun and festive.
So lots of RV projects coming up, truck projects coming up, and of course, as we mentioned, our big trip out west.
Yep, we have lots to do to get ready for that and not much time left to do it. So stay tuned, there will be a lot coming up in the next few weeks.
Have a great week, you guys, and we'll see you next time.
Merry Christmas, babe.